back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Today I am going to be reviewing this wig by Sensationnel called Rule Breaker in a color F1B30. Okay, so let's unpackage the wig. Okay, here she go. Very, very beautiful. Okay, it has one long comb in the front, a comb in the back, and two adjustable straps. Okay, let's put her on. Let's see what she's working with. Okay, I got her on and she is amazingly gorgeous. Yes, I like it. Okay, it has this a little bit of color in it to really make it pop. Okay, she popping. My curls are popping. Okay, it looks really nice and it looks very, very natural. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Okay, this is her from the side, the back, and the other side. Yes, this is gorgeous. I am feeling it. Okay, you can also switch her over a little bit. You want to change the look up on her just a little bit. Rock her like that. Let me see what I done did for sure. Okay, yes, super, super, super cute. Love it. Okay, she has very minimal shedding going on. All right, I definitely recommend this gorgeous unit. I think it was under $16. And it's a beautiful, nice, realistic style. Resembles human hair, resembles naturally curly, gorgeous hair. Okay, yeah, just gorgeous. I absolutely recommend this. I love it. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Also, make sure you share this video, like, and comment. I would love to know your thoughts on this unit right here. Yes. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.